ready to start using NotebookLM? Before you can create notebooks, upload sources, and use AI-powered study tools, you'll need to sign in with a Google account. Let's walk through the process. Start by opening your browser and navigating to NotebookLM. On the homepage, click the button to get started. NotebookLM uses Google accounts, so you'll be prompted to sign in if you're not already logged in. If this is your first time using NotebookLM, you'll typically see an option to create your first notebook and begin adding sources. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken directly to the NotebookLM dashboard. From here, you can create notebooks, upload documents, connect Google Drive files, add websites, and start interacting with your content using AI. After that, you're ready to explore all of NotebookLM's features, including summaries, flashcards, quizzes, reports, and audio overviews. And that's how to sign up for NotebookLM. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to start organizing and learning from your information more effectively.